Hi everyone, in this video we will show you the best Acer monitor color settings. First, make sure your monitor is running at the highest available refresh rate. To do this, right-click on your desktop and open Display Settings. Then click on Advanced Display Settings. Here select the highest available refresh rate, such as 144 Hz, 165 Hz, or 240 Hz, depending on your monitor model. Next, adjust the brightness and contrast settings. Press the menu button on your Acer monitor to open the on-screen display menu. Then go to the picture settings. Here, set the brightness between 70 and 80 and set the contrast between 50 and 60. These settings provide a balanced image with clear highlights and improved visibility in darker scenes. After that, enable game mode if your monitor supports it. Navigate to the gaming section in the monitor menu. Here you may see options such as action mode, racing mode, or sports mode. For most games, action mode is usually the best choice because it improves clarity and responsiveness during fast-paced gameplay. Next, adjust the response time setting. Go to the gaming settings menu and look for response time or overdrive. Here, select fast or extreme. This helps reduce ghosting and motion blur, making movement appear sharper on screen. Now enable FreeSync or adaptive sync if your monitor supports it. You can usually find this option in the gaming section of the monitor menu. Turning it on helps reduce screen tearing, improve frame consistency, and provide smoother gameplay. Next, optimize the color settings. Go to the color menu on your monitor. Set gamma to 2.2 and set color temperature to warm or normal for more natural colors. Then set black boost between 5 and 7 to improve visibility in darker scenes. You can also set saturation between 50 and 60 for richer colors while keeping the image balanced. If you are gaming, it is recommended to keep the blue light filter turned off for the best color accuracy. After that, turn off unnecessary image processing features. Options such as excessive sharpening, noise reduction, or dynamic contrast can sometimes add input lag or make the image look unnatural. Disabling these features usually provides a cleaner and more responsive gaming experience. Finally, test your settings in your favorite game and make small adjustments based on your room lighting and personal preference. With these settings, you should get smoother gameplay, better visibility, improved color quality, and a more enjoyable gaming experience on your Acer monitor. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.